How's it going, everybody? Moon360 is back with another video, and today we're going to do an unboxing, video review, and sound test of the Blue Yeti Nano USB condenser microphone. So if you're someone who's trying to get into YouTube, trying to get into streaming, or trying to become a broadcaster of other audio needs, and you want a really good sounding microphone, this is the microphone to get. Blue Microphones makes great microphones, and the Yeti line is their iconic brand line of headphones. And it's a great product, and I'm very excited. So as you can see, it's a premium USB mic, and on this side of the box is legendary Blue broadcast sound, perfect for podcasting, game streaming, Skype calls, YouTube, or music. You get no latency headphone output monitoring with this mic. You can also mount this to a shock mount. Plug and play on PC and Mac, cardioid and omnidirectional pickup patterns, and supports sample rate up to 24-bit and 48 kilohertz. So it's very, very high quality microphone. On this side of the box it says your message loud and clear. Yeti Nano. Oops, let me just get the camera back into focus. Yeti Nano is a premium USB microphone designed for broadcast quality podcasting, YouTube content, game streaming, Skype calls, and voiceover work. Inspired by the #1 selling Yeti microphone, Yeti Nano features game streaming on PC and Mac. The premium finish looks great on camera and on your desktop. And there's also, as you can read the rest. But on this side of the box, we have the cardioid pickup pattern and also the omnidirectional pickup pattern. Cardioid only picks up from the front of the microphone. Omnidirectional picks up from 360 degrees around the microphone. You can see the two different usage cases for both direction patterns, podcasting for cardioid and conference calls for omnidirectional. On the bottom we have the characters of the Yeti, the Yeti line. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So there looks like there's a tape at the top of the box. Let me try and use my fingernails to pry this thing open, or my lack thereof fingernails. I suck at unboxing videos, guys. I think I'm probably the worst unboxer on YouTube. That's why I just can't do it. But anyways, I'm going to use a scissor to help me cut the tape here. All right, let's open this tab. All right, guys, we can do this. All right, now let's open the cover. Oh, looks like there's a bit of tape that I forgot to cut, but anyways, let's just use the power of our hands to get this cover open. There we go. And it looks like there is another box inside a box. So this is, I guess, is the inner compartment that houses the microphone itself and some other accessories. Yep, nothing else in the main box. This reminds me of a Chinese takeout carton. One of those cartons for like Chinese takeout. But anyways, let's just open this inner box open. How do we get this open? I think there might be another piece of tape somewhere. Yep, there it is, that we need to cut open before we can open the box. Again, use my handy dandy scissors. All right, so right away we get some literature. So you can download the Blue Sherpa software onto your computer to get the most out of your Yeti Nano with the Blue Sherpa companion app. Yep, and also we have a quick start guide, premium USB mic for recording and streaming in multiple languages actually. And then we get warranty, safety information, important safety, compliance, and warranty information, and another important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Now we get the USB cable itself that you use to connect the microphone to the computer. Let's actually open this up and take a look at it for a second, just to see how long it is, because I'm always curious as to how long these things are. It looks like it's a micro USB connection to USB. So yeah, unfortunately it's not USB Type C, but it is what it is. It's a pretty decent length, decent length cable. Yeah, very nice here. So yeah, let's put the cable aside for a second and take a look at what else is inside the box. So we have the blue Yeti Nano right here in its full glory. All right, blue Yeti Nano. They also have this in a bunch of other colors: red, onyx, gold, and black. I chose the shadow gray version here. That's pretty good. I really like this color. Looks very sharp. And by the way, this retails for around $99, depending on the time that you go on Amazon to check. Around $99 US, um, which is a very reasonable price for a microphone of this quality. And by the way, so far I've been recording using the Blue Snowball, but I will switch to the Blue Yeti Nano in just a few moments, and I'll tell you when I do so. But it's a very well made microphone, very high quality, metal grill, metal all around. And we have the dial, the knob for the headphone output control, and then on the back we have the the switch to change the patterns of the pickup. And on the back we have the USB port, micro USB port, and also a headphone jack, so you can monitor how you sound in real time. So that's about it for the microphone itself. It's a very compact microphone compared to the standard Yeti, the regular Yeti, and yeah, I really like it so far. So now I'm going to connect this to my laptop, and we'll see how it sounds from there. So in 3, 2, 1, I'll switch over to the Yeti Nano. 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, so now I'm speaking directly into the Yeti Nano microphone about 5 inches away from my mouth, and this is what it sounds like. So again, this is what it sounds like, and I hope you can hear that there is some difference between this microphone, the sound quality of this microphone, and the Blue Snowball, because this one is like $30–40 more expensive than the Snowball. So yeah, just to give you guys a better idea of what this microphone may sound like, I'm going to read an excerpt from a textbook so you can hear what it sounds like. We welcome you to the world of auditing, and we invite you to invest your best efforts to learn the extremely practical and useful concepts that underlie this respected profession. These concepts will be valuable to you regardless of what you plan to do in your future career. You will learn in this chapter that auditing consists of a set of practical conceptual tools that help accounting professionals to find, organize, and evaluate evidence about the assertions of another party. The demand for capable accountants and auditors of high integrity has never been greater. Opportunities for auditors are plentiful and rewarding, and can lead to attractive career opportunities. Those who practice as auditors often later go into financial management, becoming controllers, chief financial officers, CFOs, and even chief executive officers, CEOs. But even those who do not plan to become an auditor can benefit greatly from an understanding of financial statement auditing and its underlying concepts. Learning these tools is valuable to any business decision maker. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think of the sound quality, what you think of the audio quality of this microphone, and if you think it's worth it for the price. Thank you, and please subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for my future videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.